Hi, and welcome to all my future kitchen queens. Welcome to a new video of mine, and I'm glad my kitchen queens are back. So in this video, I show you 5 recipes made out of trash. So what does that mean? I created some type of recipe from leftovers that the most people would throw away. I don't know how you feel about that, but I always look for ways to minimize my trash. And this way is definitely a very tasty way to do that. I also give you 10 more information how reduce some trash, so please check out my info box. Every trash that you see in this video can be stored in the refrigerator or in the freezer to use it on a later time. If you would ask me which recipes of all of them would be my favorite, I would definitely pick the bananas. The banana bacon, they are very tasty and yummy, but I like all of them, so you definitely have to try all of them out. And every one of these recipes are so easy to make, and yes, hopefully I convince you to try new things out and don't throw your stuff away. Now we come to the fun part and try the yumminess here. You won't believe me, but they're so crunchy and I really like them. This lemonade is the perfect lemonade for hot summer days, and yeah, the whole family likes it. It's not too sweet, it tastes pretty good. The apple peel tea tastes definitely much better with fresh peels, but you can use also the freezer ones, so then you have to use a little bit more. Because everyone loves a good pesto in this household, I definitely have to make that quite often, and the carrots gives that nice sweetness to it. If you're tired about typical jam in the morning, this one is definitely a good alternative, and yeah, it tastes pretty yummy.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you need more vegan recipes, check out my other videos that I have in my channel. And I want to say I'm so happy for everyone joining this rockagreenlife family. And if you want to be part of it and don't miss out on any future videos that I'm posting, if you want to support this channel, you're only one click away. So hit the subscribe button and join the family. So one important thing I asked you to do, so please, please, please let me know in the comments what future videos you would like to see. So I would say we see each other in my next video. So stay tuned and rock on your green life.